House rises next Wednesday, but just 2 weeks later, on the 5th of August, it will be 1 year since the Indian government revoked Article 370 and the people of Jammu and Kashmir were locked down. Human rights attacked and subsequent violence has resulted in many deaths. The Backbench Business Committee had listed a debate on human rights abuses in Kashmir on the 23rd of March and again on the 26th of April, but as the leader is aware, debates were cancelled due to COVID-19. The situation in Jammu and Kashmir is of urgent importance to many of my constituents in Luton South and other members. Will the leader ensure that time is found early in September for a debate on the human rights abuses in the region?
Is it the House?
Mr. Speaker, the Honourable Lady is absolutely right to be asking for a debate on this issue, and I know what she says about the Backbench Business Committee's willingness to give her one. It will, of course, be possible to raise this at the pre-recess adjournment debate, when a Minister will be answering, and I would encourage her to do that. Westminster Hall we expect to reopen from the 5th of October, so that would provide the opportunity for more debates, and I hope that it will be possible to facilitate backbench business debates once we are back after the recess.